This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lisa Dolly. Great opportunity to own and sought after Jefferson Corners at Heritage Ridge. This villa has it all, a private location and beautiful updates. Spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bath split floor plan with an abundance of natural light. Sliders from every room lead to the incredibly spacious and private tiled and screened lanai. Plantation blinds throughout allow for privacy and control the flow of natural light. Neutral tile flooring throughout. Galley kitchen has granite countertops, a new syove and plenty of cabinets. The master bedroom has built-in closets. A skylight allows for natural sunlight to flood the master bathroom. The guest bedroom is very private. Newer AC, 4 years old. Accordion hurricane shutters cover every window, easily close and lock within minutes. 2 assigned parking spots located in vert close proximity to the villa. 1 small pet under 25 lbss is welcomed. Enjoy the community, pool, pickleball and tennis courts. You're only minutes awat from Hobe Sound Beach. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Dolly at 772-219-1111.